Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today I'm going to show you some parts that I'm going to be using on my NP205 transfer case that is going in the 80 Silverado project that I'm working on. I got my new transmission in, so that's ready to go. Now I can kind of concentrate on getting the transfer case back together. You can see it's torn apart. I'm not sure if I showed this thing painted or not, but I've got it painted, and actually I think it's ready to be put back together. But I wanted to show you some really cool parts I got here from NorthWest Fab. So you can see here I got some billet pieces, and I'll start over here. I guess this is the cover. It's a billet cover for the side of the NP205. Really sweet looking. That's nice and thick. It looks like it's anodized or something, but it's billet aluminum. Then you've got the cover right here. This is the back cover. This is actually a cover here too that goes on the cover. But there you can see the bearing right here. I'll flip it over. This thing is sweet. So they got the bearing in there. One thing that I wasn't expecting is this came with new bearings and new seals. Also came with a gasket kit. But I was assuming that the seals were going to be in there loose and I was going to have to install them. But you can see seals and bearings have all been installed, and this stuff is like ready to go, which is so awesome. Guys, this stuff is like, it's like jewelry. It is not like truck parts. Here I got, this is the rear output. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to use this because I have a slip yoke for the rear. But it came as a kit, and if I ever do like the conversion, you can do a slip yoke eliminator. I'm not doing like rock crawling or off-roading, so I don't feel like I need to eliminate that. It's not going to be a weak link for me, I don't think. This is the front one. Again, this stuff is like, these are the bearing retainers. Show you the back of this one. Yeah, they are sweet, guys. I mean, like, this is really sweet. Oh, and then I wasn't expecting this either, but they got the cover for the idler. I didn't know they were going to send that, but they got that. And then they got, like I said, bolts. They got gaskets if you buy the kit. And yeah, actually they have another thing here. See, they got a deal for a plug right here. And that you can actually get another kit, and it has a clear tube. And I believe it goes down to the drain, and you can actually kind of just look at your transfer case real quick and see that it has fluid in it, which is kind of a neat feature. I may grab that later on. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see about that. But I just wanted to show this because this is like I said, this is like. They have pictures of it. You can see it clearly, and you really just don't understand the quality of this stuff until you actually get it in your hands. I mean, this stuff is like, it's nice, guys. It is really nice. I cannot wait to get this transfer case all together and put these billet pieces on there. It's gonna look so awesome. But I guess, guys, just kind of a quick video showing this NorthWest Fab, these parts. I probably wouldn't have done a video, but I was so impressed with these things that I figured, you know what, I got to do a video. This stuff's awesome. I seen some stuff on eBay. I was contemplating on getting, and I kind of figured that those guys were not making that stuff. They were getting it from somewhere else. So a little bit of searching online, I come across these guys. These guys are from Canada. That's another thing is, if you look at the case there, the case made in Canada. So I kind of figured that it was fitting to put Canadian parts on a Canadian case. So I thought that was kind of fitting for the whole transfer case. The guy at NorthWest Fab said that those Canadian cases are not all that common. I really don't know. I'm almost positive that this is the original transfer case that came in that 80 Silverado. I believe there's a date on there. It says, I don't know if you can read that. It says 7/13/79, and that would probably be the right date to have it go in an 80 Silverado. So yeah, it's going to come together here, guys. I'll try to do an assembly video. I'm not sure how detailed I'm going to do that video or not, but yeah, I'm actually ready to start assembling this thing. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. These parts, like I said, super high quality. Really impressed with them. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'll see you.